boys and girls, look at our little rain cloud. He's asking the question, how is the weather today? What is the weather today? Maisie, help us. What is it? It's rainy. It says rainy right there. It's a rainy day. Do you see the little cloud has the little raindrops falling? Yep, you see it? And here's our sentence starter. The weather today is... I bet you know what word we're going to write right here. Yep, we're going to write rainy right in there. Make sure you have a little finger space. And let's copy that word right there, rainy, R-A-I. And did you know that the A and the I together make the A sound? That's why it says rain. Yep, and then we put a Y at the end. Sometimes Y at the end makes the E sound. It's kind of funny, but that's the way it is. Rainy, and we'll put a little red period right there at the end. Let's make it red. Okay, there we go, red. Don't forget to put a capital green at the beginning for go. Yep, we will do that right now. Let's make our capital at the beginning. Our sentence starter, they did that already. I wish they would have gone all the way up to the top like we do, but that's okay. The weather today is rainy. Perfect. Finger spaces, Mrs. Schmidt. Oh, I almost forgot. Finger spaces. There we go. Perfect. The weather today is rainy. Now, boys and girls, you could write what you like to do on a rainy day. Well, can we say we're happy first? Yeah, we should say we're happy first because we are trying to find all of the things that make us happy no matter what the weather is. So let's go ahead and write, I am happy. Boys and girls, do you think you could do it all by yourself today? Maybe they can. We've already done it twice this week. All right, if you think you can do I am happy all by yourselves, pause the video and try to do it all by yourselves and then come back and see if you did it correctly. If you want to do it right along with Maisie and I, then stay with us. Okay, so we're going to write it right here. I am happy. Do you remember how to spell happy, Maisie? I do. It's H-A-P-P, two P's. P-P-Y. Period. Very good. All right. And we have our capital at the beginning. We have our red period at the end. And we have our finger spaces. There we go. Perfecto. The weather today is rainy. I am happy. Now, boys and girls, you could write whatever you like to do on a rainy day. Maisie, do you remember what they were doing in the video on the rainy day? Yeah, they said, I see umbrellas. Oh, okay, so we're going to write, I see umbrellas. Could we also say that we like to splash in puddles? Sure, if you want to do an extra sentence, we could do that, boys and girls. You don't have to do an extra sentence, but if you would like to, if you're doing a really good job with your writing today, you can. But let's do this one together. I see umbrellas. Unless, boys and girls, you have another sentence that you would like to write, we're going to do this one together. I, finger space, see. Ooh, that is one of our sight words. Yep, it's a sight word. And that's a different one today. I'm excited to circle that one at the end. I see umbrellas. Now, that is a very long, hard word, so I will help you with it, okay? So if you don't know how to spell umbrellas, just copy what I'm doing right here. Umbrellas, okay? U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A-S. I see umbrellas. And we're going to put a little period right there at the end. And let's check our 5-star writing. Like a green for go at the beginning. Yep, we have a green for our go at the beginning. We have a red for stop. Yep, our red punctuation is stop. Finger spaces are yellow. Yep, our finger spaces are yellow. And, oh, there we go, perfect. You wanted to do one more sentence, Maisie? I do. Okay, now boys and girls, if you like what you've done here with your 3 sentences, you can stop, check your 5-star writing, and you can do your little picture right here, okay? If you want to do one more sentence, like Maisie, she really, really wants to write one more sentence. Yeah, and I'm the weather reporter. That's right, Maisie is the weather reporter. Right here, see, weather reporter. She's the reporter. So if she says she wants to say that she splashed in puddles, then she should be able to write that. That's true. I can splash in puddles. Okay, so let's do it right here. Okay, I, finger space, can Now, I don't think splash is going to fit right here. That's kind of a long word, so we will come down here. Spol, spol, S-P-L, spol. What do you hear, Maisie? A. Okay, splash. Oh, the S-H together says shh. Yeah, I know that one. Okay, let's put S-H right here. S-H. All right, so we have splash, finger space, in. Oh, that's a sight word. Yep. In is one of our sight words. Perfect. In, finger space, puddles. That starts with a P. Puddles. Did you know that puddles has two D's? Yep. They make one sound, but they're two D's together. Puddles. Oh, I love that. That's so fun to do on a rainy day because there's lots of puddles on a rainy day, right, Maisie? Oh, yeah. The weather reporter says I got splashing puddles. All right, so let's go ahead and go back and see if we did our 5-star writing. We have our capital at the beginning. Well, lots of our sentences are starting with I in these sentences. All right, let's see. I can splash in. Oh, perfect. We have our period. Yeah, punctuation. Make it red. Make it red. And don't forget the yellow finger spaces. Okay, put the yellow finger spaces right in the middle. Make sure that all of our words are separated, that they're not squished together. Okay, that's why we make our finger spaces, to make sure that words are not squished together. All right, now we're going to check our 5-star writing. Boys and girls, I want you to check yours right along with us. Now let's see if we have our green capitals at the beginning of all of our sentences. Make sure they're not just green. Make sure they are capital greens. Okay, yep, we've got that. We will make our first star right here. And let's make sure we have our punctuation. Well, we have 4 sentences, so there should be 4 punctuation periods. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, there we go. All right, we've got our 4 punctuation periods. Yep, for 4 sentences. And let's see if we did our finger spaces. Yes, we did. Boys and girls, make sure you check yours. Don't just give yourself a star because we're giving ourselves a star. You have to check yours. I will check mine. You will check yours. Well, actually, it's mine because I'm the reporter at the top. Oh, yeah. Okay, Maisie. Maisie's checking hers. Okay. What's next, Maisie? Let's see. I forgot. Oh, no, neat writing. Yep, is it neat writing? Well, we worked very hard to make sure that our writing was neat. Did you work hard to make sure your writing was neat, boys and girls? If you did, give yourself a star. And what's the last one? Does it make sense? Yep, does it make sense? So we have to read it. Okay, here we go. The weather today is rainy. I am happy. I see umbrellas. Maisie, will you read the last sentence? I can splash in puddles. It makes sense. Yep, it makes really good sense. Okay, so we're going to put our 5th star right here. What color should we make our stars today, Maisie? Orange. Let's make them orange. Okay, so I'm going to make my stars orange. Boys and girls, you can do whatever you would like to do on your paper. And we are going to get ready to do our picture. And we will be back in a snap. And here's our picture. We've got lots of umbrellas. We have Maisie, who is splashing in a puddle. And what do we need to do last? We need to count our sight words. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. Let's see, we have the right here. Go ahead and circle the, boys and girls. We all have that same one there. And is, we know that one now, is the weather today is rainy. Okay, we have I am, yep, we have to circle am, happy. Circle I. Okay, there we go. I. Oh, C. Okay, let's circle C. C is a sight word. Yep. And umbrellas. No, umbrellas is not a sight word. Okay, let's do I right here. Can. Oh, can is a sight word. Oh, boys and girls, are you keeping up? Maisie's going awfully fast. Okay, let's see. Splash. No, not splash. In. Oh, in. Yep, in is a sight word. Okay. All right, boys and girls, if you need to pause the video and get all caught up, you can. All right, now if you wrote all of the sentences that we did, then you probably have the same number of sight words that we do. Let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Whoa, 9 sight words today. Okay, I'm going to put it right up here, right next to Maisie, right there. All right. Good job on your writing today, boys and girls. I'm happy it's a rainy day.